Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm giving you an update for Freebeat.ai, and this is the platform that you can turn any song or any URL link from SoundCloud to YouTube to like a Suno link, Udio link, Spotify link, and it'll make you a free music video. So I tested this out about a month and a bit ago, and it was pretty cool what you could do. It was hitting the beats and changing the scenes to the beat, but today they launched, or I guess last week they launched a new agent mode. So I'm about to test that out today, and this is sponsored by them. So I will put a link down below if you like this platform, but it's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you what I made when I was testing this out earlier, and pretty impressed. So pretty much I just gave it a very simple prompt. I got this lo-fi instrumental, and you know how the lo-fi songs back in the day would just have like cartoon, like a penguin and a bird, and then they drive to the beach. So I'm like, just do something chill like that. I'll show you. I went over to Gemini. That's where I started with my prompt, and then from the prompt I just popped it in and it took over from there. And it was really easy. It made it in like 20 minutes, and it made 30 seconds at a time, which is really good for video generation, because right now a lot of these platforms are 8 seconds at a time, and then you got to piece them together. But check this out. Pretty much like I always do, better input you usually get better output. So I usually start in a large language model. I do love ChatGPT for prompting, but today I just used Gemini 2.5 Flash. And I said this, a lo-fi track with a cartoon penguin, parrot, and blue heron. They go on a road trip to the beach in a vintage car. That's it. And that's the prompt I put in, and I'll show you what happened on the back end. And then what we'll do is we'll do another one live here, and I'm going to try to get even more complex. Character consistency, I should have been more specific in my prompt to say, you know, this character always wears this to this, and I'll show you where I could have caught that, but I will on my next round here. All right, so this is just an overview, and then I'll show you how to get here. But pretty much, yeah, I threw in my lo-fi track, and same thing. Here's your window here of the agent. You can watch what it does. It planned the input, analyzed the creative concept, the scenes, the video, and merged them. So it kind of went through, it analyzed the song. It says continue, I press continue. It loaded the direction, narrative, visuals. It analyzed the song. It has my prompt, visual style. It sketched the story. It kind of pieced together the core theme and the narrative, close-ups. And then what it did was it made all the images. So this is where, if you're not happy with the images, this is where I should have said, well, you know, the penguin's pretty good throughout, but the parrot, he's also pretty much the same color, and same with the blue heron. So I just left it, but you could say, hey, you know, regenerate those images. You know, that wasn't the vibe I was looking for, but I just, like I said, simple prompt, and it did a really good job. Then what it did was it turned those stills to video, and that's usually what I do when I'm working on animating, you know, and making my own commercials and advertisements. Is I always love to get a really high quality still and spend my time on the prompt for the image, and then animate the image, because then you're going to get way better results. But for example, you can click on any of these and it'll show you the prompt that was used. Was it merged all the videos together? Success, downloaded, bang, just like that, 30 seconds. And the cool thing about agent mode is, yeah, it'll say, here's this, and you have to go in to press continue if you're not happy with the result. But yeah, you can work on other stuff while this is just generating in the background, so it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna do another instrumental video, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try like an infinite zoom. Now this is something I've been trying to do with AI for a while, and here's my prompt. It's gonna be a mesmerizing video with the infinite zoom where each scene emerges from the detail of the previous one, perfectly synchronized to the beat. I mean, this is gonna be very challenging for this, but you know what? Let's try it, because it did the first one really well, I thought. So I wanna see what it can really do. I make this space theme because there's a new asteroid that entered Earth. There's a new asteroid that just flew. Interstellar, it's the third one ever. You gotta Google it. It's just some crazy stuff, but I'm not getting into that right now. I'm gonna copy this and put it in. I'm gonna link my other tutorial up above right here because I went through, they have a lot of cool features in Freebeat, and what they specialize in is turning music into videos, like music videos or viral videos. So you throw in your music and it'll animate to the rhythm of the beat and use all the like cling, runway, pika. For example, I'll show you if you want to do a video generation. In here you can choose runway, Gen 3, Luma, Ray 2, pika, VO, cling, Pixaverse, all of them. They're all in here. But you can also do text to video, image to video, etc. It's a content creation platform, technically. But what I'm here to test out today is the music to video agent. So you just click here. It's in beta mode still, so it's getting better. It just came out, like I said. Oh, if a song were a dream, what would it look like? Now, this is going to be another cool instrumental, and I'm going to make it space theme. I got the prompt. I'm going to put the prompt in. I'm going to make this a 30-second short, and I will post it to my YouTube channel after, so you guys can watch it live with the volume and the quality. Now I'm grabbing my prompt from Gemini. I'm going to add the music. So I'm going to go over to SoundCloud. So I popped the song in. I'm using just a cool instrumental. Come Fly With Me. It's a chill hip hop, and it suits hopefully the theme of my space theme, which is a spaceman flying. We'll see. We're gonna make it 60 seconds. You can test it out. Start it at 10 seconds, just so like the beat can come in. I don't want too much of the intro. All right, so phase one is gonna analyze the music info. You can see on the screen here that it's tuning in the music. Give me a moment. All right, cool. It has my prompt. And yeah, there it goes. It's analyzed the input. So now you just type continue to generate the creative concept. If you don't like it, tell it now. Now what it's going to do, it's going to sketch the story, and it's going to come back with visuals. It's actually creating the visuals right now. All right, so you can see it created the theme here: ethereal, mysterious, narrative beat, wide, swirling nebula, stars, infinite zoom. Let's see how it does. So it sounds pretty good. And then rapid zoom, energy 7. And then it does the hypnotic dreamy. And now it's starting to turn these into visuals. Then it takes the visuals, like I said, and turns them into videos. Overall, this process is pretty quick. I am running for a full minute now. My first one, I only did 30 seconds. All right, so it generated my images, and there's 19 scenes. So this is looking pretty cool. It looks like it starts in space, and I don't know how this is all gonna pair together, but it's looking pretty futuristic, and then it goes into like a futuristic world, and yeah, I'm excited to see where it goes. So I'm gonna press continue. All right, now it's generating all the videos. It's gonna animate all those and stitch them together. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And just like that, it generated all the videos. So like I said, you can click on one and you can see the prompt of it. And it's looking good. I'm ready to merge these all together. So I'm gonna press continue here. Now it's piecing everything together, and it says 5 minutes. So all in all, like I said, this is a very quick process. And because it is an agent mode, you can just be working on your own thing. If you did this manually and you created, first off, 18 images, and then you animated all those 18 images, and then you stitched them together, like this is really quick. Just like that, it's finished. So let's take a look. Okay, guys, and just like that, that's how you can make a music video or animate to your song so easy. I mean, it wasn't super on tempo like last time, it was changing beats to the snare, but super impressive how it all stitched that together. And yeah, it made it a minute long. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys found value in this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for any marketing or content creation, reach out to us here at Nari Media. We're creating some really cool stuff with AI, and I got more cool videos coming soon. Thank you.